Hello again. Now we're gonna see the new function. It's a new in Microsoft 365, and I think it's in the newest version of Excel, 2020-2021. It's called XLOOKUP. I will not show here the VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, how to use them, because I don't like them. So I'm gonna go directly to use XLOOKUP to find the salary of a specific social number using XLOOKUP. So how to do this? It's simple, equal XLOOKUP. So we call it function, and we have the lookup value. So the lookup value here is our social number, and we want it dynamic, so we're gonna not fix it. So the lookup array. So where to look this? So it's either choose this one or I'm gonna choose this one. Okay, so it's from here to the last row, so it's Control Shift down arrow, and we're gonna fix it using F4. So after that, the return array, so we're searching for the salary. So it's simple, we click on the first one, Control Shift down arrow, and fix it with F4. So here, what we like about XLOOKUP, it's by default, it's an exact match. It's not like the VLOOKUP, where we need to always enter the false at the end. And we have another thing, that those three in the last one, so are optional to use or to add. So the three first arguments are obligatory, required, and those with brackets, always the arguments with brackets are for the optional arguments. So here, if not found. So if not found, I want just to have this sign, okay? And match mode, so it's an exact match. So just to see it, we don't need to enter this, but it's just a video that will show every argument, so I'm gonna show everything. And we have the last one is a search mode. So we have search first to last, last to first. Okay, so how can we search them? So if it's sorted in ascending order or sorted in a descending order, so I'm gonna not use it. Okay, and just close. Like I said, we don't need to enter the match and if not found. So let's either delete this one. So I want just if not found to send me this sign here. So I'm gonna click enter. So I have it, because this one is the first one, I think. Yeah, they are just the same as the others. So this is a way of using XLOOKUP.